Hello, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2019 Toyota 4Runner. Stock number is 7176. On this virtual video walk around, you're going to be able to see this 4Runner up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the impeccable exterior condition. No dings, no dents. Making our way around the rear. This vehicle is equipped with a 4.0 liter V6 with only 1,800 miles. Absolutely low miles. I love the leather interior. Absolutely flawless, of course. Moonroof. This vehicle qualifies for warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. Absolutely a gorgeous rig. I think I might take it for a test drive myself. For more information on this 4Runner, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you. But most of all, we look forward to earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.